Are you looking to create your own online OTT platform just like Netflix and Amazon Prime? Then Streamit is the perfect solution for you. Whether you are starting in the world of digital entertainment or have years of experience. Hi everyone, I am Diya Patel from Iqonic Design. In this video, we will see how you can set up your Android application. So let's get into the video. Firstly, we will open the Android Studio and then click on Open. Now here you will open the Streamit folder. After that, click on Open and then go to the files. Again, I will click on the Open and here we will select the Android and then click on Open. So now our importing will start. After successfully importing all the data, click on the build and then click on generate sign bundle. Now just click on next and then fill in all the details here and then click on OK. Now you will again click next and then make sure you have selected release and then click on create. This running process will take some time, and once it is done, just click on the locate and now you see your setup has been completed. And this is how you can set up your Android application. In next video we will see how you can set up your iOS application. So stay connected with us.